You are going to go from 0 to 13 travel outfits in a carry-on only. I'm going to teach you in this video how to coordinate travel outfits for a carry-on suitcase this winter. Black jeans with a plaid shirt is my #1 outfit for you. This thin flannel plaid shirt is an investment piece that will help you stay warm, but also is a thin layer to pack. I like the way this shirt hangs on me. It's got the drop shoulder as well, so it's drapey. Another travel outfit idea is to pack a thin tank top that can be worn under. A thin layer is usually lightweight for a carry-on suitcase, which is helpful for you, but I'm going to show you one exception near the end of this video. I'm a pilot wife and I've learned lots of mistakes by my travel outfits, so I'm going to help you learn 13 outfits that you can actually fit in a carry-on suitcase during the winter. A travel outfit starts with jeans or trousers that you are comfortable in. In the winter, I pack black denim for 2 reasons. One, I have found shoes that are comfortable and can be worn for casual or dressy outfits. And number 2, I can wear so many tops while only packing that 1 pair of black jeans. For a monochromatic look for travel, I love packing this black sweater to be worn with black jeans. The sleeves are not too bulky, they drape beautifully, and it comes in gray, a white, which would be gorgeous in the winter, and a camel color. Do not forget about a solid denim shirt for travel outfits. If you do not like denim, you can pack a solid color t-shirt that's long sleeve, it's also a thin layer, and it will be lightweight to pack. So from the shirts above, I will wear the plaid shirt with my blue jeans or a green pull-on jeans. I also have a darker denim that's a pull-on jean, which I love. A travel tip is that dark denim can look chic if you need to dress for a dressier restaurant. One travel outfit tip is that pull-on jeans, the shirt should not be tucked in because you can totally tell they're pull-on jeans. So it needs to go, your shirt needs to go really long or just over that fake waistband. The black sweater can be worn with my green pull-on jeans as well as my blue jeans for a more casual look. I think this black one is my new favorite sweater this fall. For the denim shirt, I would just wear a scarf to give it a different look. You can even wear a cashmere sweater for dressier outfits or for a casual denim look. Cashmere is so good at holding your body warmth in, but you can wear a t-shirt underneath it, an Oxford shirt or plaid shirt underneath it with the shirt tail sticking out for a more casual look. One packing tip for a lightweight carry-on is to take one entire outfit out of your carry-on suitcase and pack it in your personal item bag like I did with the Nomad Lane bento bag, who is sponsoring this video again for you with a $10 off coupon. I'll link it in the paragraph below for you. I packed joggers and 2 shirts in my bento bag. This bag holds so many of my travel essentials inside the airplane. There are 3 travel tips for packing in this bento bag. The secret entrance, which gets you into the entire bag. Number 2, the hidden pockets. And number 3, massive space for packing. So even though I can open it while I am sitting in my little narrow airplane seat, I do not have to. I stored my AirPods and my hearing aid case and laptop charger in this top loading pocket. And then look at all the other essentials that I can pack in one personal item bag. A travel hack for your outerwear in the winter is to wear it in the airport or in the airplane. I wore this bulky gray sweatshirt hoodie inside the airplane on my trip to Canada. It was thick and heavy. Did I need to pack it? No, but I really wanted to wear this little multi-textured sweater. You can pack a heavy sweater or a sweatshirt if you really want to. Just be strategic in how you wear it onto the airplane so that it doesn't add weight to your carry-on bag or personal item bag. When you are making your packing list for outfits, you are going to choose shirts or tops that can coordinate with all of your jeans or trousers. And do not forget about the pair of jeans or trousers that you're wearing inside the airplane. That's 3 bottom pieces. You pack 5 or 7 thin layers or thin shirts, you've got 13 outfits easily. I wore my international travel t-shirt that I designed. In the airport, my heavy sweater that I had to have on this vacation was able to be rolled up inside one little section of the bento bag. Notice that my jeans have a little bit of a flare, so they're not going to drape the dirty floor or snowy streets that I'm walking on one day. They are also going to be able to be worn with boots to make it look a little more chic for travel, and then they're also going to be able to be worn with sneakers or my grubby tennis shoes if I want to, or hiking shoes. Do you see the strategy that is already going in your mind? I'm helping you learn these steps so that you can pack with your clothes or with the items that I show you. You're going to start with your most comfortable jeans or trousers, and then choose shoes based on the weather that you're going to have while you are there, and then pack versatile tops for the other outfits. The blue jeans that I have can be worn with my tie-dye waffle shirt that is for when I'm going to lounge on my vacation or wait for everyone to get to me in a ski lodge by the fire one day again. I did wear joggers as my airport outfit one time this summer. If I do not have the space or the weight in my carry-on suitcase, I will leave those at home. But most of them are thin and easy to pack, or you can pack leggings and t-shirts. In the summer, I would pack one pair of shorts and 2 exercise t-shirts that could also be worn with a pair of jeans maybe. Here's how I styled my olive green pull-on jeans for Canada. I packed this white sweater that is the softest and silkiest sweater I think I've ever owned. It does not jut your head forward even though it's a turtleneck type sweater. And then it also fits the arm check. If you lift your arm and it does not show your skin with the little slit on the side, it is a great sweater for travel because you're going to be lifting your suitcase or saying hallelujah, we're finally together again on vacation. Then I can also wear this black sweater that goes just over my waistband with my green jeans. Green jeans are great for the winter because they can be worn with sneakers during the day or boots at night to a restaurant. If you do need a pair of waterproof boots for a nice restaurant as well as looking casual during the day, I highly recommend these that I bought last year that got sold out very fast. They're back in stock and the fit is true to size. They have a rugged sole, which I thought would be great for international travel if you're walking on cobblestone roads, for instance. These boots are also waterproof. I can pack one pair of black boots or a pair of sneakers. If you are packing these sneakers, I love that they are a neutral color for all types of outfits in every season, but there is zero support. So make sure you have considered that if your feet need that, like mine do. But usually I can make it through the airport if I want to wear them as an airport outfit. Okay, let's get back to the outfits. I like to hold up shirts against the bottom pieces that I'm going to have in my travel wardrobe to see if they look right or not. And then you pick out the shirts that would go with your other pair of pants that you have packed. I fold my shirts and I stack them inside my packing cubes that compress with no vacuum cleaner needed. And then you can drape heavier items if you need to. I would drape my jeans over my packing cubes. Or you can roll up those sweaters and fit them along the length of the perimeter of your suitcase. And one of the oldest travel tips in the book is to wear your heaviest shoes, your heaviest clothing onto the airplane so that you're taking out that weight and space when you're packing in your carry-on suitcase. Let me know if you do have to consider the weight of a carry-on suitcase. I have a fantastic video which gives you some other packing tips for packing light in a carry-on suitcase, so do not miss that video and let us know where you're going. Thanks for your time. I really appreciate you. I appreciate your helpful comments for our community in the comments below. I'm thankful for you. All right, thanks again.